Hi everyone. We're going to learn about Pete the cat's trip to the supermarket. Look, there's Pete. This is written by Kimberly and James Dean. There's our buddy Pete. Pete and Bob are hungry after a big day of fun at the park. Look, I see a slide and I see the swings. They were at the park. There's Dad. Dad, can we have a snack? Bob asks. Who is this? You're right, that's Dad. Good job. Oh, Dad checks the fridge. Nothing in there. Dad checks the pantry. That's empty too. Dad checks the secret snack nook. We need to buy groceries, says Dad. Dad starts making a list. We need milk and eggs and fish and chicken. Look, he's writing a list. What's Dad doing? You're right, he's writing. Good job. I want raspberries, says Bob. I want apples, says Pete. Pete, Bob, and Dad make the long list and take it to the supermarket. Whoosh. Oh no, the wind blows the list right out of Dad's hands. Oh no, there goes the list. It's cool, says Pete. I remember the list. I do too, says Bob. They're off to the supermarket. First, they stop in aisle 10. The sign says dairy. We need milk, says Pete. And cheese, says Bob. The stinky kind. What is Pete holding? You're right, he's holding milk. Good job. Next, they go to aisle 9. Yum, says Dad. I love bacon. Look, there's bacon. And don't forget the chicken, says Pete. Look what I see. What animal is that? My favorite. What animal is that? It's a chicken. Good job. They almost pass aisle 8 when Pete remembers the eggs. Regular or jumbo, asks Pete. Jumbo, says Dad. Groovy, says Pete. Can you say groovy just like Pete? Groovy. Say groovy. Good job. Bob can't pick between spaghetti and macaroni in aisle 7. How about bow ties, asked Dad. Awesome, says Bob. Look, they have bow ties. Aisle 6 smells fruity. Remember the apples, says Pete. Look, he found the apples. What color are those apples? What color? That's right, they're red. Good job. Remember the raspberries, says Bob. Brand new book. There we go. In aisle 5, Dad tastes a hot dog. Yummy. Look, what is Dad holding? What is that? You're right, it's a hot dog. Good job. In aisle 4, Pete tastes the cupcake. Sweet, he says. There's Pete. He's holding the cupcake. Dad lets Pete and Bob choose a treat in aisle 3. Pete picks crackers shaped like a fish. And Bob picks popcorn. Brr, it's cold in aisle 2. They're cold. They must be in the freezer section. Can we pretend we're cold too? Can you cross your arms like this? And pretend we're cold. Go, brr. Do this. Brr. Great job. We're freezing. Dad puts mango popsicles in the cart. Look, Pete and Bob have ice cream. Their cart is getting really full. Look at all those treats and snacks in there. Aisle 1 has sunflowers and tulips and blue daisies. What aisle are they in? What number is this? You're right, it's number 1. Great job. Pete and Bob pick tulips for Grandma. She'll love them, says Dad. I think we got everything. Except for the fish, says Dad. But their cart is packed with yummy treats. Next time. Look at all of the food. Now the refrigerator's going to be full. Nice job, guys.